Hey guys, welcome to the first video. We're back to the 50s, the 24th day of June 2023. It's kind of rained a little bit, not too bad, but we're inside the barn here. So here we go. Kind of a cool car. There's all kinds of, this is inside. This is a one right here, 1952. So this is every year in June. It's a little rainy, but not too bad. It's a nice one right there. So I'll be able to get a lot of videos in without having to worry about heat. So.
Oh, the Mall of America.
1938. I can't get them all, but I'll try my best. Classic. 327. Camaro. Let's say it is 1968. I love all these. You can get everything in here. Alternator. Everything is a classic. 427 in this bad boy. Battery hood up front. Nice. 1969. That's a Caprice, sorry, but it's a sister to it. Very nice, beautiful car, 4-door. You can tell it's original. 1957, 33,000. Look at that bad boy.
We got a trailer. We spent a lot. Oh, do you?
He's slashing the price down to 11. Down to it's an Chevy El Camino, 1977.
TV show I did from 1998 to 2010. What's this?
A whole different kettle of fish. It's a classic. You'll never get that. Very nice. You can kind of tell over here. Nice. It's a nice 2-door. Thunderbird. Look at this bad boy. This is a 1966 Thunderbird 390. Battery hood up front. Yeah. The old minivan. Look at that bad boy. Classic. There's so many cars here. It's a very big show. The best day is coming on is today on Saturday. It's a 1989 R-Star. I don't know why people are walking around, so it's so great. But there's a Corvette over here. Sold. 4 cars for sale in the poultry room.
Oh, no wonder. It's a 427.
68. Nice. There it is. See that one over here, 1962. And there was more in the poultry barn, so where the hell that's at, I don't know, somewhere. I think it's on the other side. Look at that bad boy. 1966 Mustang, convertible. I put some of these up on TikTok as well. So we're on the 24th day of June, so I have enough we'll be able to get a lot of videos in on probably both GoPros. Look at that bad boy. Ooh, Malone. Beautiful. I can see myself. It's a 57. Asking 40 GER for it. A little much. Nice engine. Classic. Let's put the top down on this bad boy. Mustang. Nice. It's a gangster car right there. Look at that bad boy. It's a nice, what do we want for this bad boy? Oh my word. That bad boy. Nice.
Why would you want that?
Didn't say it.
Studebaker. Nice. Sold. Goodness. 1951 Studebaker. Nice. There we go. Look at that bad boy. Clean as a whistle, as they say, right? So all these were like being sold, I think, in an auction. Gotta have a lot of money. You're coming here to buy a car, you better have the money. Yeah, huh? Very nice. Look at that classic. Old fashioned, huh? Look how close that fan is, that bad boy. Any kind of shot, you're done.
Yeah, water pump goes out.
Yep. But look how easy it is to get to. I mean, it's classic. Nice. 1956. Oh yeah, look at that bad boy. Love the paint job on it. $19.54.
It's on the hood too.
It's up there too.
$47,000 he wants for it. An old Jaguar, jack off. All shoved in there. Anyways, let's walk out here. So, all right. So we're gonna run over the poultry barn and get you from over there. So anyway, I'm just gonna keep these like at 10 minutes. So this camper, $9 grand. Yeah, okay. Well, I guess you can. Cool little camper, I guess. A little. I wouldn't pay $9 grand for it. So let's go look at some other cars. It's the first video. Keep it like 10 minutes. I don't need to go 11 minutes. So anyways, it's a great day. It's not so windy right now. It's not overly hot. Really get a lot of videos in. So let's move on to the next. The poultry barn, I think, is over there somewhere. So we'll go over there and check it out. All right. Talk to you later. Ciao.